Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the doorbell model and how it's powered. That matters for the reset method. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign in so you can remove the device later. Make sure you have tools and the Wi-Fi password at hand. Then remove the faceplate or cover and safely disconnect power, remove battery or turn off transformer power to prevent damage. This gets you into the device so you can perform the actual reset next. Now you perform the reset sequence tailored to the model. For battery models, press and hold the small reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks. That indicates a factory reset. For wired units, hold the reset button while you restore power and release when the LED shows the pattern the manual describes. Make sure to remove the device entry in Google Home when asked. This avoids pairing conflicts. If the LED behaves differently, stop and check model guidance, then repeat carefully. Once the reset completes, reinstall the doorbell and restore power so it can boot and create a clean setup. Then open Google Home, tap the plus sign to add a device, and follow the pairing prompts. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials when asked. After setup, test live video, the chime function, and notifications to confirm everything works. If pairing fails, try this troubleshooting tip. Confirm the doorbell has stable power and is within strong Wi-Fi range. Weak signal or low voltage causes most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.